Hi everyone, I am Abdul Rashid. My topic is interest rate swap and forward rate agreement. Let's see what is an interest rate swap. An interest rate swap is a forward contract in which one stream of future interest payments in exchange for another based on a specified principal amount. Interest rate swap usually involve the exchange of a fixed rate interest rate for a floating rate or vice versa. To reduce or increase exposure to fluctuations in the interest rate or to obtain a marginally lower interest rate than would have been possible without the swap. A swap can also involve the exchange of one type of floating rate for another, which is called a basis swap. Interest rate swaps explained. Interest rate swaps are the exchange of one of cash flows or another because they trade over the counter. The contracts are between two or more parties according to their desired specification and can be customized in many different ways. Swaps are often utilized it if a company can borrow money easily at one type of interest rate but prefers a different type. Types of interest rate swap. First one, floating rate, fixed to floating. For example, consider a company named TSI that can issue a bond at a very attractive fixed interest rate to interest in to its investors. Company's management feels that it can get a better cash flow for a floating rate. In this case, TSI can enter into a swap with a counterparty bank in which the company receives a fixed rate and pays a floating rate. Floating to fixed, second one. A company that does not have access to a fixed rate loan may borrow at a floating rate and enter into a swap to achieve a fixed rate. The floating rate tenor, rest, reset, and payment dates on the loan are mirrored on the swap and netted. The fixed rate leg of the swap becomes the company's borrowing rate. Third one, float to float. Companies sometimes enter into a swap to change the type or tenor of the floating rate index that they pay. This is known as a basis swap. A company can swap from 3 months LIBOR to 6-month LIBOR. For example, either because the rate is more attractive or it matches other payment flows. A company can also switch to a different index such as federal funds rate, commercial paper, or the treasury bill rate. Real world example of an interest rate swap. Suppose that Pepsi company needs to raise $75 million to acquire a competitor in the USA. They may be able to borrow the money with a 3.5% interest rate, but outside of the USA, they may be able to borrow to at just 3.2%. The catch is that they would need to issue the bond in a foreign currency, which is subject to fluctuation based on the home country's interest rates. Pepsi company could enter into an interest rate swap for the duration of the bond under the terms of the agreement. Pepsi company would pay the counterparty a 3.2% interest rate over the life of the bond. The company would then swap $75 million for the agreement agreed upon exchange rate when the bond matures and avoid any exposure to exchange rate fluctuation. Forward rate agreement. Next. What is a forward rate agreement? Forward rate agreement over the counter contracts between parties that determine the rate of interest to be paid on a agreed upon date in the future. In other words, an forwarded agreement is an agreement to exchange an interest rate commitment or on a notional amount. The forwarded rate agreement determines the rate or to be used along with the termination date and notional value. Forward rate agreements are cash settled. The payment is based on the net difference between the interest rate of the contract and floating rate in the market. The reference rate. The notional amount is not exchanged. It is a cash amount based on the rate differentials and notional value of the contract. Limitations of forward rate agreement. There is a risk to the borrower if they had to unwind the forward rate agreement and the rate in the market and moved adversely, so that the borrower would take a loss on the cash settlement. Forward rate agreements are very liquid and can be unwound in the market, but there will be a cash difference settled between the forward rate agreement rate and the prevailing rate in the market. Thank you.